morning. Good morning, guys. How's everyone doing here? My camera is not working today. That's why I took a little bit more to start the stream, but yeah, I'm still gonna do it. So yeah, we're gonna do the stream with no camera today. Hey. Morning. So I took a little trade pre-market while I was looking to fix my camera problem. So I'm pretty much green already. But yeah, so the levels that I'm watching today are pretty much yesterday high. And for SPY, this intraday level 515.30, 514.60, and for the Q is 432. The intraday level that I'm looking at, maybe a pullback there. We can have a little bounce, like basically something like that to yesterday high. And same thing here with SPY. If we just go higher, I'm gonna be looking to play this yesterday high here on the Q, and same thing with SPY. Both still have a little gap above to fill. So that's my plan for today. Pretty much on everything on SPY, Nvidia, the Q, Microsoft also. Yesterday high is the level to watch on pretty much everything. Nvidia is already rejecting that level. Morning. And today I'm trading with eight Apex PAs. I have a few on this group. I have a few 150k accounts and a few 50k accounts. Okay, ugly reaction here on Nvidia. SPY and the Q also rejecting the VWAP pretty much on both. Morning. If you watch futures, watch 1800 on the Q. Morning. Andrea, my name is Andrea. Okay, the NQ just lost 1800. Let's see how the QQQ is gonna react here around 432. In the Qs, and it's a level that I'll be watching. If it can hold, we can play a bounce here. If reject, I'll be very bearish on the day. And Q trying to hold 1800. Nvidia pretty much filled the gap and rejected. We want to see Nvidia holding 100. 100 or 99. Apple and Meta are holding, Microsoft and Meta are holding pretty good so far. Both are looking weak, but still kind of holding compared to Apple and Nvidia. Pretty bearish morning so far. Very clean VWAP reaction on both the SPY and the Q. SPY and the Q are both trying to hold yesterday's close. And Q trying to hold 1800. In futures, it looks like a head and shoulder here on the Q. We have the head, left shoulder, and right shoulder. Strong bounce. If SPY can break here the VWAP and hold, I like it, this one to play the upside till yesterday high. Yep. You can see how SPY held here yesterday's close, and this this little level is acting as support, right? So if SPY can break and hold VWAP, I'm gonna go long. Same thing with the Q, but I like more SPY. Let me see, from here to here, that's 0.84, and here to here, 0.62. So the Q have more room to go than SPY. No, it will be SPY. 5 bars, 3 bars. Yeah. So far we have nothing. Oh, do we have any data today? Any data coming up today? Let's see. Tuesday. Today's Tuesday, right? Yeah, nothing. We have nothing. Okay, SPY is trying to hold the view up. Let's see. And the Q is reacting. I want to see here a clean hold to go long. But the Q is very weak. Nvidia is weak. Apple is weak. Meta looks like it is starting to break down. Microsoft is still holding very good. And the NQ is holding 1800. Okay, I'm going long here on SPY. I like this SPY hold. Okay, I like that move. I'm bullish as long as SPY keeps holding the view up. Microsoft is looking pretty good. Whoa, what was that? Whoa. Okay, I'm allowed. I do think we're gonna go to this Friday yesterday high, but I'm happy with my trade. Any pullback to the VWAP or maybe this little level here could be a good entry. But yeah, very happy with my first trade. I'm watching Microsoft. I think I missed my entry on Microsoft. But let's see if we have a pullback to yesterday high. Because it's breaking out right now. So we want to see a break, maybe a retest of 401.10. That could be my entry to go long. Yeah, that was a beautiful trade. That was beautiful. Any of you got it? Watch Nvidia too. If Nvidia can hold yesterday high, that would be another entry to go long on Nvidia. I'm still holding some runners from yesterday. Yeah, the thing is, like, right now the market is too crazy. So I think even though we can have, like I said, I think with this move, I think SPY and the Q are gonna go to yesterday high. I don't like how the market is moving. So for me right now, just have a good entry and take my profits and be out. Ooh, Meta, it's looking pretty good also. Nvidia, guys, Nvidia, it's holding yesterday high. That's your entry. I'm not gonna take Nvidia because I already have contracts there. I have weekly contracts, still holding some 100, like the 100 strike for this week. But Nvidia, yeah, it's looking pretty good. Meta 2 holding yesterday high, same thing. I'm gonna go with Microsoft. I like how Microsoft is looking. I'm getting 405 for this week. My stop loss will be, I will say, today's low. SPY is definitely stronger than the Q. But that was, for the Q, it was a perfect bound on the futures, on 1800 futures. That was perfect. Perfect bounce. Even though I still see a head and shoulder set up there. I don't think it's valid. The head and shoulder is not valid unless the NQ breaks 1800. Look at this beautiful bounce here out of 1800. So yeah, it still has a head and shoulder, but if the head and shoulder doesn't break the neck, it is not valid, or I wouldn't play any head and shoulder without breaking first the neck. You need the neck. Basically, you need the break of the neck and then retest, and then you play the downside. But so far, we have no confirmation that that's gonna happen. Yeah, Donnie, my camera isn't working. I don't know why. Nvidia is reacting there. Look at Meta. Meta is very strong. It's boom booming. Oh, Microsoft looks like it's gonna stop me out. I don't like that reaction of yesterday high on Microsoft. But we'll see. I like this Q hold here. It's holding the VWAP. Okay, Microsoft is holding there. Nvidia is holding. Yeah, this Q hold here looks good. The Q is definitely not as strong as SPY, but I think as long as it keeps holding here the VWAP, the 90 MA, it's bullish. Gonna go long here on the Q. Let's see. Gonna hold as long as it keeps holding the VWAP. Nvidia going. Beautiful hold to Microsoft. Come on, Q. It's having too much trouble here at the morning high, this morning high. Let's see if Apple can break the VWAP. That's gonna help the Q going higher. What's in Apple here? It's trying to break the VWAP. Microsoft so far is holding pretty good. Okay, we're looking good so far. Come on, Q, break that high. Break that high. Go. 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 Keep going. Keep going. Okay, I'm out. It's having too much trouble there. I'm good. Still look bullish, but I don't know. I'm happy with these two very green trades. And the SPY is about to hit yesterday high. We'll see how it's gonna react there. Yeah, the kid having too much trouble here. This morning high. This could be another entry, but I'm not gonna take it. The next trade that I'm looking is if SPY can break yesterday high, so with this gap here. So it will be from yesterday high till Friday's low. Technically it's still Friday's close, but I like when I see gaps, I like playing gaps on the daily. So if we see the daily on SPY, the gap is still Friday's low. But if we see smaller time frames, the gap is pretty much till 530.50. So it depends. But yeah, this is what I'm looking here. The next trade is SPY high. If we can break it, we play the upside, we play the gap. If reject here, I could look for a rejection play just by seeing how strong this rejection was yesterday. That could be another one, but we'll see. So basically either we break and fill the gap, or we reject and go back to at least today's low or 515. With Apex, I have 20, but I'm trading with 8 only today. Microsoft's looking pretty good. Meta too. Meta's looking very, very strong. Nvidia, beautiful. Nvidia was really struggling around the VWAP, but now it's looking pretty strong. 106 is my next PT on Nvidia. Anyone holding Nvidia contracts with me? Yesterday contracts? No, it's not 816, it's 8. You see 16 because I traded ES and NQ. And if I trade the Russell, you're gonna see 8 more here. But it's not like that. It's you see 16 because I'm trading with 8 accounts. So you're gonna see my trades with NQ here and my trades with ES here. Yeah, all these accounts are Apex, yes. Apex is still running their 150 to 300 promotion that if you pass then till the 15th or the 14th, you only pay 85 bucks lifetime fee for your PAs, which is very, very good. That's why I'm trading with the 150 accounts here. And the 150 accounts I'm trading with two contracts only. So it's 2 contracts because I want to build a bit cushion, and then I'm just gonna look to trade like 1 contract, max 2, because the idea is for me to really hold these 150 accounts for a very long time. Thank you, Abdullah. Do I have a link? They have it. You can go to Apex, right? Go to Apex, go to this section, and just research anything and everything you're having trouble with. Just type account setup. And you have a bunch of tutorials, videos, pictures, everything. Here you have it. Yeah, so far we're reacting here. Reacting yesterday high. These are eight accounts. 8. Nvidia, it's really holding yesterday high, but it looks kind of like it's having trouble just moving. Same thing with Microsoft. It looks very good. It's consolidating, holding the VWAP, holding yesterday high, but it's kind of having trouble. Yeah, at the beginning it can be a little bit confused. It can be a little bit overwhelming because it was a little bit overwhelming because I was used to it to trade options or shares, and but it's like everything. Like the first time you use any broker, it's a little bit confusing unless you're using Robinhood, which is very easy to use. But yeah, at the beginning it can be a little bit confusing, but then it is very easy. I will say that Apex website, like the main website, it looks like very old. Like every time I see that website, like when you see the part where you see your account, your evals, your PAs, it looks like very old, like something from the 90s or something like that. But my funded futures, it's so good, so easy to use, and it's kind of like Tradezilla. Like you can use it as a journal because you can see like your calendar with your red days, green days, how long your green days are, how long your red days are. Like you can see everything there, every single trade. It is very, very good. I love it so far. I love their like website. Yeah, yeah, I have Apple, Microsoft, Nvidia, and Meta on my screen whenever I want to trade SPY and the Q. Okay, we're rejecting here. Apple looks like it wants to hold the VWAP. Microsoft is the one that I see like it's moving very, very strong, holding very good, looking pretty bullish. Let's see what Google is doing. Oh, Google is bearish, but it's trying to hold 158.50. Amazon. Amazon is doing nothing. I don't like trading Amazon. And that daily chart is a mess. Like, look at this Amazon. Kinda looks like it wants to hold. Kinda looks like a flag. But this chart is very messy. Like, it looks bullish, but it's messy. Like, it's holding the VWAP. which can definitely looks like it wants to go higher, but it's very messy. I do trade futures and options. I honestly love trading futures. Love it. I love how easy it is. So you just watch the levels and you just press buy, exit, or sell, and that's it. I don't need to think about what contracts I want to buy, like what expiration, what strike. You just click buy and sell, and that's it. $4.93 is an important level on Meta. Almost 43% off on the Nvidia contracts that I bought yesterday. I want to see a strong hold here. Explain how to trade options. Options are a little complicated. You can watch a bunch of YouTube videos that are free, and I think they're gonna explain you way better than me here. But yeah, I trade options mostly for swing trades. No, I don't like trading options for scalping or day trading. Yeah, I do like swing. Yeah, I do swing trades. But it's important to understand when the market is good for swing trading and when it's not. Like right now, it's not too good to swing trade. I like this hold on Nvidia. It's just not doing anything. Microsoft, it's still looking pretty good. This is what I'm looking on Microsoft. Let me show you guys. So Microsoft has a gap here, and what I like here on Microsoft is that it keeps using yesterday high as support and the VWAP and INMA. So basically it's going steady to the upside, right? But I think as long as it keeps holding the VWAP, I'm pretty bullish on this one. Yeah. And then we have a lot of resistance all this level here. I know my camera is not working today. Ooh, I'm up almost 23,000 today. That definitely pays for yesterday's 20 evals that I lost. 22.7k. with options. I'm sorry, with futures only. Thank you. Okay, we're still reacting here. The Q under VWAP is a good possible short play because the Q is definitely weaker than SPY. Nvidia under the VWAP, it's a no-no. But yeah, 524 is a key level here. 524. It is not looking good. Let's see if the Q can hold here the VWAP. If not, most likely we're gonna see a move towards 432. Anyone catch this reaction here on SPY? All in shorts. Nvidia is trying to hold. Same thing with Meta. Same thing with Microsoft and Apple, but both are looking weak. Nvidia is really fighting yesterday high. Yes. Yeah, if the Q loses the VWAP, these can get bloody. But it's fighting there, it's fighting here. I like that bounce on Nvidia. That is looking pretty good. That bounce on Nvidia is very, very good. No, I haven't looked at TLT. I don't know, I really don't know how to trade that. Let me see. It looks ugly, it looks very bearish. Like this is, looks like it wants to die. Look at this. If it cannot hold yesterday's low, that thing's gonna die. It's gonna fill this gap at least. This gap here. Yep, needs to hold yesterday's low. Otherwise, it's gonna go way lower to at least 96. Look at that bounce on the Q, on SPY also. Beautiful VWAP hold here on the Q. And SPY just is really trying to break this high. For years? I do not wait for trades for years. Look at SPY. Okay, I love that breakout on SPY. Okay, so I'm done trading with my PAs. I'm gonna change these to one my funded future eval that I have that I kind of want to pass. So I'm gonna try to look for one trade with that account. But I'm done with my PAs. I think two very, very good trades, it's more than enough. And then we're having this possible opportunity here. If we really hold 424, I want to go long here. So let's change this to my funded futures. Yeah, look at Microsoft. Ooh. I wasn't even looking at Microsoft. We're looking good. Same thing with Nvidia. $43% up on Nvidia. I'll be looking to take most of my profits on Microsoft around a little bit under 405. But the contracts are not really moving on Microsoft. Yeah, not really moving. Ooh, look at Nvidia. Beautiful. 106. I want to see Nvidia going to 106. And then it's 108. Yeah, I'm live. I'm live, it's just my camera, it's not working today. Nvidia, baby, Nvidia. Nvidia was a beautiful break and retest of yesterday high. Anyone got that Nvidia trade? Who's holding Nvidia swings with me? Beautiful. Well, Debbie, I wouldn't, like, I think it was risky to swing trade anything. I think it's risky to swing trade anything these days. The market is moving crazy, so I think it's, sharp. No, I got out of sharp, like, a long time, like 2 weeks ago or something like that. Like, this market is not for swing trades because we're bouncing. Yesterday was green, today was green, but technically the market is still bearish. Let's see if the Q can break this high, yesterday high, and then we have the gap. And I want SPY to give me a little pullback. I don't know if that's gonna happen. So this week, I do not recommend swing trading anything, honestly. Okay, I'm gonna start selling a little bit more Nvidia, and I'm gonna hold 2 runners only. Yeah. We are almost 60% up on Nvidia. I want to see Nvidia breaking 106 now. Look at that. Beautiful move. Beautiful move. Is Amazon moving? Oh yeah. Amazon still needs to break yesterday high. If Amazon can really break yesterday high, I think that thing is gonna go. Yeah, it's gonna go hard. But it needs to break yesterday high. Looks like I missed a trade here on SPY. Let's see if the Q can give me a pullback here till yesterday high. And then I'm gonna look to go long and go for the gap. But SPY is just boom booming. Look at that. And Q is rejecting yesterday high. Let's see if the Q can hold this 442 level. Microsoft pretty much filled the gap. Yep. I'm gonna start taking a little bit of profits here on Microsoft. Yep. I want to see a little bit of consolidation here so I can enter to go long. Okay, I like that reaction there. I'm gonna buy one. If I see more pullback here and more consolidation here, I'm buying more. Again, this is an eval from my funded futures. It's not a PA. Let's see if I kind of want to see the Q going a little bit lower so I can buy more and ride 2 or 3 contracts to the entire gap fill. Nvidia rejecting 106. That's the gap. If it can break 106, the next one is gonna be 108. Microsoft also pretty much filled the gap. It can go to 406, and that will be like the main resistance. Okay, I got one more there. I like how it's consolidating here. So basically now this is our support. It should act as support if we want to see more upside. We want to see more green here. Did you guys bought the dip on Bitcoin? Let's see how it's beat Bitcoin today. It's kind of looking bearish. Let's see. It had a bounce, but ooh. This was a clean hold here. Very strong support there. Kind of bouncing, but it needs to break 58k. Yeah, exactly. Yes, Andres. Exactly like that. Awesome, thanks. Okay, I like that hold. I like that hold on the Q. Let's see if we can have a boom here to 447. If the Q filled this entire gap, this account's gonna be passed in just one trade. But I need that gap fill here on the Q. Look, Meta it's booming. So strong. Also, Meta was very clean today. Perfect hold of yesterday high. Very clean. Same thing with Microsoft. It took a little bit more, but still going higher. Slowly but surely, it's going higher. Nvidia, same thing, but it needs to break 106 now. Come on, just go. So far, we're looking pretty good. It's definitely holding. I know. Let's be patient here. We're having a little bit of consolidation. And we're having a few stuff at resistance like Apple, Microsoft, and Nvidia. Okay, go, go, go. Okay, keep going. Give me some continuation here. Yeah, it definitely looks like a flag. Yeah. But I want to see more candles like this one closing like that. I don't like this rejection here. You guys watching House of the Dragons? I only watched the first like 3 episodes. It's been very slow. Very slow. And I heard the season finale, it was slow too. Not much happened. Oh, it's getting boring. Okay, go. where I'll be selling. It depends how it looks, because we have, I can definitely see we have a lot of resistance here. So coming up, we have a lot of resistance. Like we have resistance here, here, and here. So basically we have kind of like 3 levels of resistance. So we need to break this resistance, and then kind of this one also, and then this one here also. Oh no, this is the 15 minute. But yeah, we have this resistance. We have a lot of resistance above. Even with this gap, we have a lot of resistance above. $444.50, $445. It's the next level to watch out. And then we have 446, 447 also. He is basically here. It's a big resistance, all this level. But we'll see. Because this future, like if this takes forever and I see having trouble here, I'm gonna just sell here because it's futures. Ooh, I don't like that move. Okay, I got one there. Let's see if we can bounce here. It needs to hold here. Yeah, I blow my account, this eval. So I'm done, guys. Super happy with my trade today. It still looks like it wants to hold here, but it's taking forever and it's looking weak. It's taking forever. I don't like this move. How's the 30-minute? Yeah, the 30-minute candle is looking pretty bearish. So yeah, I'm done. Done. Super happy with my PA. Almost $23,000 today. It's 22.7K. And yeah, I'm done. Took most of my profits on Microsoft, holding only 2 runners on Nvidia. Most likely, if Nvidia loses the VWAP, I'm gonna be all out. And same thing with Microsoft. If it loses the VWAP, I'll be all out. But I'm mostly out on everything, pretty much. I don't like how the market is having so much trouble to hold it high. Maybe this SPY hold can be a good one, but I don't know, it's taking forever. And I don't want to keep like watching these that is barely moving. So if you guys are gonna keep trading, just watch out this yesterday high on SPY. That's the level you want to see a SPY holding. And same thing with the Q. You want to see the Q holding yesterday high. and be careful because the Q has a lot of resistance above. SPY has not so much. SPY is looking way better. It's holding yesterday high, stronger than the Q, and it still have this entire gap here to fill. And it has a little bit of resistance around 529 and then almost 531. But yeah, I'm done. I'll work out on my work out and see what's going on with my camera, so it can be fixed by tomorrow stream, because I'll be here the rest of the week. So thank you guys for being here. Remember to like the video. I'll see you mañana. Bye.